Welcome to the EllipseMAX Bracelet Sizing Guide. We'll show you how to adjust your bracelet for the perfect fit. Inside your EllipseMAX box, you'll find the bracelet, a sizing tool, and 2 spare pins. The sizing tool makes it simple to remove or add links. First, wear the bracelet and note how many links you need to remove for your ideal fit. Each link has 2 sides. The rounded end is for removing the pin, and the flat end with a slit is for reinserting it. The correct side for removal is the rounded, indented end. Open the sizing tool, place your bracelet on it, and align the pin with the tool. Now rotate the tool to release the pin. Then pull the pin out from the bracelet. Once the extra links are removed, reconnect the bracelet by sliding the pin. Now place the bracelet back on the sizing tool and insert the pin until it sits flush. Try on your bracelet to confirm the fit. That's it. You've resized your EllipseMAX bracelet to your perfect size.